Be honest. You've been learning English for years, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. You understand English, you know the words, but when you have to speak, you hesitate. You feel nervous and your confidence drops. If that sounds like you, this video is going to help you. Hello everyone, my name is Reena Makhijani and I've been an English trainer for over 40 years. And after working with so many students and professionals, I've noticed something very interesting. It's not that people don't know English. It's that they don't practice it in the right way. Most people are putting in effort, but not in the right direction. So, instead of giving you more rules or more theory, let me share something much simpler and much more practical. Just 3 small habits that can completely change the way you speak English. And stay with me till the end because I'm going to give you a simple bonus technique that can boost your confidence almost instantly. You know what most people do? They keep watching videos, they keep learning grammar rules, they keep memorizing vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, nothing comes out. Why? Because English is not a subject, it's a skill. And skills are built through daily habits, not theory. Let's start with the first habit. Read something in English every single day. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can read a book, a magazine, a newspaper, or even something online. Even 1 page is enough. The idea is not to understand every single word. The goal is to expose your brain to English daily. When you read, your mind starts recognizing sentence patterns, and slowly speaking becomes natural. And if you want to take this 1 step further, read out loud for 2 minutes. It improves pronunciation instantly. It might feel a little strange in the beginning, but it really helps your pronunciation and confidence. Now, once you start reading regularly, the next step becomes very important. You have to start using the language. So, habit number 2 is speaking. Make it a habit to speak in English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. And I know what many of you are thinking. I don't have anyone to speak with. That's okay. You can still practice. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Say what you are doing. Even think in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the goal is not perfection. Fluency is not about perfect English. It's about continuous expression. And slowly you will notice something. The more you speak, the less you fear. And now comes the habit that most people ignore. But it can make a huge difference. Habit number 3, writing. Start writing a few lines in English every day. It can be as simple as maintaining a small diary. You can write about what you did during the day, something interesting that happened, or even how you felt. Just 5 to 10 lines are enough. When you write, you give yourself time to think. You organize your thoughts. And that clarity slowly reflects in your speaking as well. So if you look at it closely, when you read, you're feeding your mind with the language. When you speak, you are practicing it. And when you write, you're making your thoughts clearer. And when these 3 things come together, improvement is not a question of if. It's just a matter of time. Now, here's the bonus I promised. Use the 3-3-3 rule. If you are someone who feels overwhelmed, just follow this small routine. Every day, read for 3 minutes, speak for 3 minutes, write 3 sentences. That's it. You don't need hours. You don't need pressure. You just need consistency. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need to start. Small habits done daily can completely change your confidence. If this helped you, do share it with someone who's struggling with English. And let me know in the comments, which habit are you going to start from today? And of course, subscribe for more simple and practical English learning techniques and tips.